Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here is an indoor gardening kit is a great insurance plan, guaranteeing that you will always have access to fresh herbs plus any other produce with a short hours to wait window like lettuce and flowers. You can pick your minutes before you use them. As a heavy herb consumer, I hate spending money on a sad bundle of grocery store mint that wilt within a couple days. The best strategies I have found to avoid this: trim the herbs stem like flowers, place in a cup of water in the fridge, and cover loosely with a large Ziploc bag. I have tried growing herbs in pots with limited success. Generally, city kitchens do not have the full sun required to keep herbs alive, says Sarah Rogue, owner of Brooklyn Gardening Company. Red pans, the roots of herbs are somewhat simplistic. They require daily watering. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Many indoor gardens use a form of hydroponics, the practice of growing plants roots in nutrient fortified water instead of soil. Hydroponic growing can be as simple as drilling holes in a food grade plastic tube, filling it with a fertilizer solution and waiting. If you are curious, that's called the Kratky method, or as complicated as choreographing a system of grow light timers and fertilizing schedules customized for your plant's needs. Hardcore plant people love the control offered by the latter, but it can be a barrier to entry for the casual kitchen gardens. It's too much for me. Maybe I would have graduated to grow lights and oxygen pumps eventually, but I love having an indoor garden automate out some of the work. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thank you for watching my video.